Which oil is best for cooking to promote health? Cooking oils play a crucial role in our daily meals, not only adding flavor but also impacting our health. With so many options available, it can be challenging to know which oil is best for cooking to promote health. Here, we'll break down some popular cooking oils and discuss their health benefits, helping you make informed choices for your kitchen. The best healthy cooking oils. 1. Olive oil. Known for its heart-healthy benefits, olive oil is a staple in many kitchens. It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Extra virgin olive oil, extracted from the first pressing of olives, retains the highest levels of antioxidants and nutrients. It's best suited for low to medium heat cooking and salad dressings. 2. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has gained popularity for its unique flavor and potential health benefits. It contains medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, which are believed to boost metabolism and provide quick energy. However, coconut oil is high in saturated fats, so moderation is key. It's suitable for baking, frying at medium temperatures, and adding a tropical flavor to dishes. 3. Avocado oil. Derived from the pulp of avocados, avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It has a high smoke point, making it suitable for high-heat cooking methods like grilling and stir-frying. Avocado oil also contains vitamin E, which supports skin health and may have anti-inflammatory properties. 4. Canola oil. Canola oil is extracted from the seeds of the canola plant and is known for its neutral flavor and high smoke point. It's low in saturated fats and rich in heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids. Canola oil is versatile and can be used for sautéing, baking, and frying at high temperatures. 5. Grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is extracted from the seeds of grapes and is prized for its high smoke point and mild flavor. It contains polyunsaturated fats, including omega-6 fatty acids, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. Grapeseed oil is ideal for frying, roasting, and salad dressings. 6. Sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is extracted from sunflower seeds and is known for its light flavor and high smoke point. It's rich in vitamin E and contains both monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Sunflower oil is suitable for frying, baking, and cooking at high temperatures. When choosing cooking oil, consider the following factors. 1. Smoke point, the temperature at which an oil starts to smoke and break down. Oils with higher smoke points are suitable for high-heat cooking methods like frying, while those with lower smoke points are better for low to medium heat cooking. 2. Fatty acid profile. Look for oils that are high in monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats and low in saturated fats. These oils are considered heart-healthy options. 3. Nutritional content. Consider the nutritional benefits of each oil, including vitamins, antioxidants, and essential fatty acids. 4. Flavor. Choose an oil with a flavor that complements your dish or one with a neutral taste, depending on your preference. The best oil for cooking to promote health depends on factors such as smoke point, fatty acid profile, nutritional content, and flavor. Incorporating a variety of oils into your cooking can provide a balance of nutrients and flavors while promoting overall health and well-being. Experiment with different oils to find the ones that best suit your taste and cooking needs. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos on related subjects.